Hey everybody, welcome to the video. Andrew Roberts here with Tree Homes, and we are at 1304 Armadillo here in South Austin, Texas. We are at a house that we recently flipped with our team on the construction and remodeling side, and we're excited to show you. So let's go in, let's talk to Zach, our GC, and see all the awesome things that they did to this house.
Oh, hey, Zach.
How's it going?
Good, how are you doing?
Good to see you.
Yeah. So tell us what's going on with the house and everything that you guys did.
So I can start off with the floors.
Okay.
Originally there was tile in the entryway that led into some laminate snap-in tongue and groove flooring. So once we pulled all that up and had everything ready to go, we went back down with a luxury snap-in vinyl.
Okay, wow.
Which is going to be a very durable floor for the future homeowners. It's not going to scratch very easily.
Sure.
It's going to stay down. It's going to be a little water resistant. So for spills, it's going to be a lot easier than the heavier laminate or real wood.
Sure, yeah, I got you. And I like how it's light. It kind of brings in the more natural light.
Exactly. And this house has a lot of the natural light. So
right, yeah. Awesome. And then before, you guys had a wall right here in this house.
Yes.
That really made it claustrophobic right when you walked in.
Yeah, so we decided to remove that wall. Structurally, we had to move some things around, but once we got that figured out, we were able to take this wall out and open up the house and make it a lot easier just to move around and open concept.
Right, yeah, that's awesome.
Throughout the whole house had popcorn ceilings.
Okay.
Scraped all the popcorn ceilings, skimmed the ceilings, and reshot them with a orange peel texture.
Okay.
So that brought it back up to date.
Sure, right, yeah.
A lot cleaner.
Yeah. And then the, obviously the walls are painted.
Yes, the walls are painted.
I remember before it was kind of dark and all that, some more cave-like.
Yeah, so we painted all the walls. New baseboards all throughout. They're just 1x4s all throughout.
Okay.
Kind of give it a modern, sleek look.
Right.
So those were added in. Fireplace was painted.
Sure. Okay, that looks good. I've never seen that in a fireplace before, and it looks
It was
awesome.
something different.
Yeah, very cool. I like the mantle, simple.
Yeah.
That's very cool.
Moving into the dining room, we decided to paint this cabinet, kind of bring it back to life.
So this before was just kind of like a dark, wood.
Old, been around probably since the house was built.
Sure.
So
yeah.
after sanding that down, priming it, and repainting it, kind of brought it back to life.
Gotcha. That's awesome. Well, my favorite part of the house, the kitchen.
Yeah, all right.
Let's head in here.
The kitchen.
Okay. So tell us what we did in here.
Okay, so obviously new cabinets, new countertops, backsplash. We added 2 can lights. There was 1 can light in the center, and there was a fur down in here as well.
Okay.
So after moving some electrical and making some things where we were able to push the ceiling back up and make it flush throughout.
And why did y'all decide on this color for the cabinets? Because it's unique. And
it's very unique.
Yeah.
This was actually the homeowner's choice.
Wow.
Yeah.
Cool.
So she
good taste.
She decided to go with this, and we went right with it.
Yeah. And then I like the open shelving in the kitchen here. It looks awesome. But then you also have these regular cabinets for stuff that you don't want your public to see.
Exactly.
That's awesome, man.
And we put in the
vent hood.
Vent hood. Yes.
That's cool. It looks good. That's a awesome new modern look. And then the backsplash, I feel like subway tile is like the new hot thing, and so you guys kind of went against the grain on that and did a little bit more of a classy look on the back.
Yeah, exactly. We tried to go with something a little different, something to kind of draw the eye.
Sure. Instead
of just the white on white, we tried to go something just a little different.
Yeah.
But still kind of keep it that simplistic look of nice and simple. And cool colors.
That's awesome. Cool, man. All right. Well, next let's head into the master bedroom.
So this is the master bedroom.
Yeah.
And just like the rest of the bedrooms, they all got new paint, baseboards, flooring. Ceiling scraped, new light fixtures.
Yeah.
And they all also have brand new doors. So
I love the
doors.
The 5 panels. Yeah, that's really
it's
awesome.
definitely one of my favorite parts of the house. Looking back on it, they're new and I love them. I'd put them in my own house if I could.
That's awesome. Very cool.
Yeah. So just like the hall bath, the master bathroom got new tile flooring. This is in the master, it is a walk-in shower, but in the hall bath, it is a tub. So they pretty much got the same thing. New vanity, new toilet, new shower with a little niche, all new plumbing fixtures, the little fixtures around the towel rack, the toilet paper holder, the new cabinet, hand racks, new light fixtures. So pretty simple restroom. And now we will take it to the outside.
So headed out to the back, I see you guys painted just like you did the exterior in the front, which was awesome.
Yeah, we decided to paint the brick after all. We weren't going to, but we decided to, and I'm glad we did because it looks great.
Yeah, it does. Yeah, it's definitely a clean and kind of like updated, like we've said, modern look, which I really like. And you guys laid some sod down to make the grass look great. Which is my favorite part of any house is the lawn. But yeah, it looks awesome, and that really adds a big element to the way a house looks.
Yeah, exactly. It really wasn't a usable backyard with just all the dirt, and there was a playhouse in the corner.
Right.
It wasn't really a usable space. So we decided to clean some stuff up and get some grass down, and just try to clean up the backyard just to make it a usable space for the next homeowner.
Sure thing. Yeah, this is gonna be perfect for somebody who has some pups or just wants to grill on the back patio, which is gonna be awesome.
Yeah, exactly.
So very cool. Well, Zach, thank you so much for showing me the house. This looks awesome, and I can't wait to show our audience the next house. So that's gonna wrap it up here at 1304 Armadillo Drive in Austin, Texas. I'm so excited that these guys did such a great job on this house, and we are so excited for the new home buyers or whoever's gonna live here to have it, because this house is awesome. Stay tuned for our next flip, guys. We're excited to bring it to you guys, and make sure to like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.